ये किसका काम है? Whose work is this? Whose work is this? इसे अच्छे से देखो. Look at it well. Look at it well. तुम सही हो. You are correct. You are correct. क्या वह सही है? Is he correct? Is he correct? उसने क्या किया? What did he do? What did he do? मुझे वह चाहिए. I want that. I want that. मुझे आराम करने दो. Let me rest. Let me rest. ये एक बड़ी समस्या है. This is a big issue. This is a big issue. क्या ये काम करेगा? Will this work? Will this work? उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला. He lied to me. He lied to me. क्या तुमने सुना? Did you hear? Did you hear? मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. I know nothing. I know nothing. ये कब हुआ? When did this happen? When did this happen? क्या तुम्हें पता है? Do you know? Do you know? ये मेरा निर्णय है. This is my decision. This is my decision. उसने मुझे मारा. He hit me. He hit me. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. वह मुझसे नाराज है. He is mad at me. He is mad at me. मुझे तुम्हारा सहयोग चाहिए. I need your support. I need your support. क्या ये समझ में आया? Did you understand? Did you understand? मुझे अभी काम करना है. I need to work now. I need to work now. उससे मुझसे बात करनी है. He needs to talk to me. He needs to talk to me. क्या ये खत्म हो गया? Is it over? Is it over? मुझे उसका इंतज़ार है. I am waiting for him. I am waiting for him. ये बहुत मुश्किल है. It's very difficult. It's very difficult. उसने अपना वादा तोड़ा. He broke his promise. He broke his promise. मुझे इसमें दिलचस्पी है. I'm interested in it. I'm interested in it. ये एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय है. This is an important topic. This is an important topic. मुझे इसे समझने में समय चाहिए. I need time to understand this. I need time to understand this. मुझे इससे मतलब नहीं. I don't care about this. I don't care about this. क्या तुम इसे जानते हो? डू यू नो दिस? डू यू नो दिस? उसने मुझे चौंका दिया। He surprised me. He surprised me. मुझे उसकी मदद करनी है। I have to help him. I have to help him. यह तुम्हारी गलती है। It's your mistake. It's your mistake. मुझे इसे ठीक करना है। I have to fix it. I have to fix it. क्या तुमने नोटिस किया? Did you notice? Did you notice? उसे कुछ नहीं पता। He knows nothing. He knows nothing. मुझे उससे पूछना चाहिए। I should ask him. I should ask him. ये काम आसान है। This task is easy. This task is easy. उसे ये बहुत पसंद आया। He liked it a lot. He liked it a lot. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा। I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. क्या तुम यहाँ रुकोगे? Will you stay here? Will you stay here? ये बहुत समय लेगा। It will take time. It will take time. मुझे जल्दी करना है। I need to hurry. I need to hurry. वह मेरे साथ था। He was with me. He was with me. मुझे उसकी आदत नहीं। I am not used to him. I am not used to him. मुझे इससे नफरत है। I hate this. I hate this. वह मुझसे झूठ बोलता है। He lies to me. He lies to me. क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? मुझे अभी छोड़ दो। Leave me now. Leave me now. वह मुझसे मिलना चाहता है। He wants to meet to me. He wants to meet to me. क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए है? Is it for you? Is it for you? मुझे कुछ भी चाहिए। I need anything. I need anything. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? उसने कोशिश नहीं की। He didn't try. He didn't try. मैं कोशिश करूँगा। I will try. I will try. मुझे उम्मीद है। I hope so. I hope so. उसे अभी बुलाओ। Call him now. Call him now. क्या ये सच है? Is this true? Is this true? ये मेरी गलती थी। It was my mistake. It was my mistake. मुझे इसे पूरा करना है. I have to complete it. I have to complete it. क्या तुम उसके साथ हो? Are you with him? Are you with him? ये किसी के लिए है. It is for someone. It is for someone. मुझे अभी सोना है. I need to sleep. I need to sleep. उसने मुझे चोट पहुंचाई. He hurt me. He hurt me. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? मुझे ये देखने दो. Let me see this. Let me see this. क्या तुमने सुना? Did you listen? Did you listen? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे और समय चाहिए. I need more time. I need more time. उसने मेरा साथ दिया. He supported me. He supported me. क्या वह तुम्हें समझता है? Does he understand you? Does he understand you? मुझे उसकी बात सुननी है. I need to listen to him. I need to listen to him. क्या ये स्पष्ट है? Is it clear? Is it clear? मुझे अभी जाना है. I need to go now. I need to go now. वह बहुत बुद्धिमान है. He is very intelligent. He is very intelligent. मुझे उसकी चिंता है. I am worried for him. I am worried for him. ये काम हो गया. The work is done. The work is done. वह मेरे बारे में बात कर रहा है. He is talking about me. He is talking about me. मुझे इसे याद रखना है. I need to remember this. I need to remember this. क्या तुमने मुझे पुकारा? Did you call me? Did you call me? मुझे अब समझ आया. Now I understand this. Now I understand this. ये कौन कर सकता है? Who can do this? Who can do this? मुझे इसे सीखना है. I need to learn this. I need to learn this. उसने मेरी मदद नहीं की. He didn't help me. He didn't help me. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मुझे उसे सिखाना है. I need to teach him. I need to teach him. ये मेरा सपना है. This is my dream. This is my dream. वह बहुत व्यस्त है. He is very busy. He is very busy. मुझे उसे समझाना है. I need to explain to him. I need to explain to him. क्या वह मेरी मदद करेगा? Will he help me? Will he help me? मुझे उसकी सहायता चाहिए. I need his help. I need his help. उसने सब कुछ छुपा लिया. He hid everything. He hid everything. मुझे एक मौका दो. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? मुझे कुछ पूछना है. I want to ask something. I want to ask something. दरवाज़ा खोल दो. Open the door. Open the door. मुझे जल्दी बताओ. Tell me quickly. Tell me quickly. वह सही समय पर आया. He came on time. He came on time. मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. उसने मुझे निराश किया. He disappointed me. He disappointed me. मुझे कुछ मदद चाहिए. I need some help. I need some help. क्या तुमने सुना? Did you hear? Did you hear? ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? मुझे अब जाना है. I have to go now. I have to go now. उसे कुछ नहीं मिला. He got nothing. He got nothing. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is very important. This is very important. मुझे उसे समझना है. I need to understand him. I need to understand him. उसे क्या चाहिए? What does he need? What does he need? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? मुझे उससे डर लगता है. I am afraid of him. I am afraid of him. ये बहुत खतरनाक है. This is very dangerous. This is very dangerous. क्या तुमने उसे माफ़ किया? Did you forgive him? Did you forgive him? मुझे उसकी ज़रूरत है. I need him. I need him. वह मेरे साथ रहेगा. He will stay with me. He will stay with me. मुझे इसके बारे में सोचने दो. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. वह मुझसे नाराज़ है. He is angry with me. He is angry with me. क्या तुमने इसे पूरा किया? Did you finish it? Did you finish it? उसने मेरे साथ धोखा किया. He cheated on me. He cheated on me. मुझे कुछ और चाहिए। आई नीड समथिंग मोर। आई नीड समथिंग मोर। इसी के साथ हमारी आज की वीडियो हो चुकी है कंप्लीट। आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो में से कुछ अच्छा सीखने को मिला होगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक और कमेंट करके हमें ज़रूर बताएं। ऐसी और वीडियोस को देखने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच।